This is a bike lane on Whiskey Creek, Fort Myers, Florida. A development from the early 80s, so it's not the usual gated community that we have from the last 20 years. Now, Whiskey Creek is a deed restricted community, so you have rules and regulations, you have an HOA. For some people, that's a bad word. Now, the bike lane runs north to south for about 2 miles. You can tell it's a huge bike lane because it was designed for golf carts. Back in the 80s, nobody was thinking about bike lanes. It was a golf cart lane because there's a golf course right in the middle. Whiskey Creek was developed over what is called pine flatwoods, as most of Southwest Florida. So there was a need for drainage. That's why there are canals crisscrossing the property. Actually, this one is a Gulf access canal. It goes into the river and then into the Gulf. Now, a common problem with bike lanes is a parking spot for delivery guys. Now, this bike lane works because the stop signs make the thing really slow. The posted speed limit is 30 miles per hour, and cars actually do 30 miles per hour. You can see the old canals, some of them really small. Now, the south end of the bike lane is a kind of commercial. There's banks, offices, gas station, a couple restaurants. And across the street, Florida Southwest, the largest college in Fort Myers. Now, this is one of the things that make this thing works, the bunch of stop signs. So cars can now go flying through this. If not for the stop signs on the one lane, this will be a shortcut that many people would use. Now on the right hand side is the golf course, the Whiskey Creek golf course. Fun golf course, a short one, 60, par 60 I think. Now you can notice there are no sidewalks, so you have to share the bike lane with pedestrians. Of course, they are priority. Is it perfect? No, it's not, but it's better, way better than the average local street. There's still room for improvement. Maybe some benches, some more shade, some signs for non-locals. Again, people using the bike lane as extra parking spots. Kind of surprised me there's no parks in the whole development. It's a big one. Because that kind of weird idea that if you have a backyard, you don't need a park. At the end, it's a pretty good bike lane, really safe. The volume of traffic and the operating speed make it really safe and nice to ride.